How's it going, YouTubers? It's me, AMR. Welcome to my unboxing video. In this video, I will be unboxing the Xlevel case for the Samsung S21 Ultra. This case is the blue version that I'm unboxing. I'm making an unboxing video of this case because there's simply just one person that unboxed this case in the whole of YouTube, and no one else unboxed it. And that one person unboxed the black version. Where else? I am going to be unboxing the very nice blue version. And here we go. Look at that. It looks absolutely beautiful. I'm loving the packaging of it. Packaging looks just, so genuine, man. Look at it. Costs $9.99 from Amazon. The link is in the description below. Whether you buy it from the link or don't buy it from the link, it doesn't benefit me at all. Because for some odd reason, I got kicked out of the Amazon link partnership program because no one was using it. So here it is. Let's see how you open it. There's a barcode. Rather than tubers, onwards to unboxing. Having some technical difficulties because I'm not using my own camera. Here we go. Upon first glance, you pull it out and it's just the case itself. There's nothing else in the plastic packaging. And here is the case. Real soft. Really soft. And TPU case is rubber. And it looks beautiful. It's the color is sticking out. I don't know how it's going to look like you because I'm right now recording this video. What time is it right now? It's 5 p.m. in the UK. The time has changed, and what's happened is when the time changes here in the UK, it gets more darker outside. So my bedroom light is on, and that light is LED. And if you're a camera person, you'd know that an LED light when videoing, it causes problems. But here we go. Here's my phone. This is my current case. I didn't make an unboxing video of this, but it had a lot of protection and stuff. But with this case, it doesn't look like it's an S21 Ultra, man. It just looks like it's some brick. With this case, it shows all the good angles of the S21 Ultra. But let me tell you one thing. It's going to have very minimum protection. So let me just get the case phone out right here. Slowly. And here is the S21 Ultra in black. Dude, I can't, every time I see this phone out naked, I want to keep it like that. But I know for a fact, one phone, this flipping £1,000 phone is going to go. So I need a case. But even though this case ain't going to protect that, this case is just going to protect it from scratches and stuff. But anything else, it's not going to scratch it from. So you just slide it in like that. And there you have it. It's on. Dude, I don't know. Write down in the comments below. Does that blue and black look awesome? Or should I get a silver lens and put a silver lens over it? I don't know. But I think that's looking cool. Well, a silver lens, it might be over the top. But dude, that's looking cool, man. And from the sides, as you can see, this is what I love about cases. The edge screen is revealed. Seriously, it's slightly higher on the top. But where the edge screen is, it's like real. I like that. But let me tell you, it looks nice. No protection there at all. Right? It's lower from the top. You can see the speaker grill right there. I like that. The whole speaker is revealed because the S21 Ultra has got a top speaker in an awkward place. And some cases, they cover that speaker. And once that speaker is covered, the phone looks like it's got a popped speaker. So this case is revealing the whole speaker. And that's cool. It needs that air come out. Everything else is now top notch. Damn it, my protection sticker, the side sticker is still on. That's the sticker that came on with the phone. But buttons working perfectly. That I need to change now because since it's red, it needs to be blue. Because it's in the blue cover. And there you have it. Oh yeah, one more thing. This feels grippy. It feels grippy. On the comments in the Amazon section, everyone's saying it's slippy. So it is kind of slippy on surfaces. So if you're going to put this on the car dashboard, it's slippy. Otherwise, in your hand, it is, depending on how slippy your hands are, pretty nice, pretty cool. So there you have it. S21 Ultra in the what the hell? Xlevel. I forgot the case name already. Xlevel case, man. Links in the description below. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Any questions, write down in the comments below. And yeah, peace out, man.